Okay, rapid fire questions. How many zeros are in 100 million?
9.
I think that's wrong. How many steps is 100 million miles? You find out that 100 million people go to brunch. You are not invited to this brunch. How does that make you feel?
Devastated.
I'm pissed. That's not brat.
Yeah, I'd have a lot of FOMO. I'd be sad for sure.
Do you guys know how many people use WhatsApp in the United States?
51 million plus.
Like maybe 100,000.
There's 100 million people on WhatsApp in America as we speak. Is that exciting?
That's crazy. 100 million.
I think Lil Wayne needs to do a re-release of Millie, but 100 Millie. Tell me, do you have WhatsApp on your phone?
Yes, I do.
And when did you make the switch onto WhatsApp?
When my son got into water polo team.
Oh, that's so cute. What's like your favorite feature of WhatsApp?
It's just better for like the photo dump, you know? The good quality and it's just so convenient.
Are you going to be the 100 millionth and first? What's up, honey? It levels the playing field so everyone can just like chat on a group chat in peace.